Hi everyone, Mark Donovan here from HomeAdditionPlus.com. I'm going to be doing some electrical work over this weekend, and I had a digital voltmeter that had crapped out on me, so I decided to go out and buy a new one. And while I was at the home improvement store, I wound up finding a AC voltage tester that was really something that I needed and very handy, and I wanted to show it to you. This is from Southwire, and it's a 100 to 600 volt AC tester. And the beauty of it is it's contactless. All you need to do is get it near an outlet or electrical switch or even an appliance, and you can detect automatically, it'll detect automatically if the circuit is live. So you can know instantly before you're touching it whether or not you've got to go out and turn off a circuit breaker. So to use this contactless AC voltage tester, we just hit the red button, turns it on, shows that it's green. And I have a GFCI circuit breaker here, so I've set it. And you can see we've got power here by the fact that it's turning red as we just get close to it. Similar here on the top part. I could go through the circuit breaker to turn this completely off, but if I just hit the test configuration, the circuit breaker should have popped. And as we can see here, there's no voltage going to this portion of the outlet because we've tripped the circuit breaker associated with the GFCI. It's a similar story down here. I do know that there's power still coming into this outlet because it's feeding this GFCI, but at least here we can see that it's not working. If I set the circuit breaker again, as you can see here, now we know that this GFCI is functioning and we've got power to this outlet. Again, it can work on switches as well. Right now it looks like there's no power feeding that switch. And we can see here that it is turning on, so we do know that switch is live. We can even check if appliances, or lights in this case, are actually live, but just getting the contactless AC voltage tester near this socket. And indeed, as we see, it is live. So if you don't already have a contactless AC voltage tester like this one, highly recommend you think about picking one up. Much safer than using a digital voltmeter where you're taking electric probes and sticking them into outlets. It only costs between $10 to $20 depending which model you get. You can get them at any home improvement center, and as I said, much safer product to use. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button on it, and make sure to subscribe to the HomeAdditionPlus.com channel. And we look forward to answering more of your home improvement questions in the future.